This tutorial covers the basics of operating systems, file management, internet usage, Microsoft Office, PC maintenance, troubleshooting, keyboard shortcuts, and practice exercises. In this tutorial, you will learn about Windows operating systems, file and data management, internet basics, Microsoft Office applications, PC maintenance, troubleshooting tips, keyboard shortcuts, and practical exercises. Windows 10 and Windows 11 are versions of Microsoft Windows. Windows 11 is the newest with a fresh look. Both run your computer and programs. The desktop is the main screen you see after login. The taskbar at the bottom provides quick access to programs. The Start menu opens a list of all apps and settings. File Explorer helps you find your files. Files are documents or pictures. Folders hold files and other folders. Drives like C or D store data physically. To install software, open the Setup file and follow the instructions. To uninstall, go to Control Panel, select Programs, and remove the unwanted software. The Settings app lets you change system options such as display or network. The Control Panel is an older tool used for many detailed system settings. To create a file, right-click in a folder, select New, then choose File Type. Rename by right-clicking and selecting Rename. Copy and move files using Copy, Cut, and Paste. Delete files by right-click or Delete key. Use clear and descriptive folder names. Organize folders by topic or date to keep files tidy and easy to locate. Zipping compresses files into one folder for easy sharing. Right-click and select Send to Compressed, Zipped, Folder. To unzip, right-click and select Extract All. Save copies of important files. Use USB sticks or external drives for offline storage. Cloud storage services like Google Drive save files online. The Internet connects computers around the world to share information, allowing you to browse websites and communicate. Browsers help you access websites. Popular browsers include Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Use any to surf the Internet freely. To search effectively, use keywords, quotes for exact phrases, and the minus sign to exclude certain words. For example, search healthy recipes, cake. Create an email account online. To send emails, write your message, add the recipient's address, and attach files by clicking the paperclip icon. For internet safety, use strong passwords. Do not click unknown links. Keep personal information private, and update your software regularly. In MS Word, format text using the toolbar for bold or italics. Insert tables to organize data. Add images from the Insert tab, and adjust page size and margins from the Layout menu. In MS Excel, use formulas such as sum to add numbers, if for conditional logic, and average for calculating means. Create tables and insert charts to visualize your data. Use MS PowerPoint to create new slides with your points, select design themes, and add animations to text or images for visual effects. Free up disk space by deleting unwanted files and using the disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files. Viruses can harm your computer. Use reliable antivirus software to scan for and remove threats. Windows updates fix bugs and improve security. Make sure to check for and install updates regularly. Keep your PC running smoothly by closing unused programs, limiting startup applications, and restarting your computer regularly. If your PC won't start, check the power and cables. If there is no sound, check the volume and speakers. To fix a slow PC, remove unused programs, scan for malware, and increase available storage space. If software crashes, try restarting the software or your PC. Also, make sure your software is up to date. If the internet is not working, check your network cables, restart the router, and verify your Wi-Fi settings. Windows shortcuts include Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Alt+Tab to switch between windows. In Office applications, use Ctrl+B to bold text, Ctrl+S to save, and Ctrl+Z to undo. Using keyboard shortcuts regularly helps save time and improves your productivity. Practice often to remember them. For Exercise 1, create a folder and rename it. Inside the folder, create a text file and write a few lines. Exercise 2 requires installing a free software and then uninstalling it using the Control Panel. In Exercise 3, browse the internet using Chrome or Firefox and search for the phrase Basic Computer Tutorial. Exercise 4 asks you to send an email with an attachment either to yourself or to a friend. In Exercise 5, create a simple Microsoft Word document containing formatted text and a table. Exercise 6 involves using disk cleanup to free space and updating your Windows system for better performance. For Exercise 7, list 5 keyboard shortcuts that you use and practice them to improve your efficiency. You have completed the tutorial on operating systems and PC basics. Practice these skills regularly to become more confident with computers.